I thought I made it clear when I said we were done. Don't waste my time. What do you want? God, that is not what I'm thinking. Yes. Oh my God. Yes, Sarah. Oh God, you just proposed. Yes, I'm getting married.
Hey, Scope Etenya. Wait, who did you just call?
Sarah. No, she's gonna be my maid of honor. Oh, my cute bridesmaid.
Shira, your friend.
Yeah.
Wait, bring the ring.
What?
Bring it, don't worry.
What?
Remember, you told me back then that it is over between me and you.
What?
Shira is the owner of this ring.
But Sarah is my friend.
I came to Riaz and want to propose to your friend Shira.
I didn't mean it that way.
I like you to mean it too.
You're a devil.
I like it.
Brother Success, are you okay?
I'm fine.
I saw you in church today. You weren't playing the band the way you used to.
Exactly. I noticed
Are
it.
you okay?
Yeah, before the service today, you know Pastor said something about wages of sin is death.
Yes, I know.
The message really hits me.
It hits everybody, including the cameraman. It hits everybody.
You know I'm very close to the pastor.
Yes, I know.
And anytime pastor asks me to go drop money or drop anything in the office, I do collect from the money.
Scope Etenya.
Both the tithes, the offering.
Seriously?
Even this thing I'm carrying now, I will tactically collect from it. It's not my fault to...
Since today is confession day, me, I don't want to die. You know the wages of sin is death. I don't want to die young. I also have a confession.
Who are we? Share it with us.
You know the choir master.
Choir master.
I know.
And the usher. In fact, half of the men in the church, I've slept with them.
Blood of Habakkuk.
Who are you at? I've slept with you too now.
I thought I was the only one.
You are not the only
Sister Lovett, you mean you have everybody in the church? Brother Success, Kobos.
But I say, why are you crying?
Brother Success,
Why are you crying?
Sister Lovett, you know I don't have work.
No.
Whatever you guys have told me now, I'm a gossiper. I cannot keep it.
Hey!
Whatever you guys have told me now, I will make sure I gossip this with everybody in the church. I'm not finished though. I will make sure everybody in my street, in my village, hear about this thing you have told me.
Hey!
I don't know.
This is always sickness. It's sickness.
It's not.
Stop now.
I can't stop
Change.
this. I cannot change. I like it like this.
Hey!
It's not my fault. In fact, it's good I start this gossiping from somewhere. I'm going to the church now. I'm going to
Please,
discuss this with them.
But
let's talk about this now.
Let me gossip first.
Fine girl, where are you going?
I want to buy something.
Hey, want to buy something? Come on, take biscuit now before you buy something.
My mother will beat me.
Your mommy will not beat you. Come on, take biscuit and enjoy. Come on, enjoy yourself tactically. Your mother is not here. Don't worry, nobody's looking at you. Yeah, just sit down and enjoy it.
I beg you in the name of God, please let me go.
Ah, we should let you go.
Yes.
You know what? Me, I'm very tasty. You know what? Help us to buy pure water first. It's in front. Do you understand? Do you have any money there with you?
Yeah, I have some.
Give me. Take. Help us to buy pure water. It's in front. Go and come back. Oh. I'm very tasty. Or would you drink pure water?
Of course I will drink.
Let her go and come back.
This guy number is not going through.
His number is not going through. WhatsApp him, WhatsApp him.
I should WhatsApp him now. Where is this girl?
She want to buy pure water for us, or would you drink pure water?
Efisi, somebody you have risked your life to bring to this place, you will just send her pure water.
School petenya. I don't know what I was doing.
You have never known what you have been doing. Do things in a tactical manner. You see how we tactically remove her from that side.
We'll get on that product and she will come back also.
Who have that time? Is this how you want to buy beans? Hey. Yeah.